Welcome to this tutorial. Here I'll show you how to bypass Blackberry that's stuck on a connect to Wi-Fi. As you can see here, I've connected to Wi-Fi, but there's no next key or next button. So make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi. Once sometimes you got to flash it and see whether flashing will solve the problem. But in case it doesn't, then follow what I'm going to do now. I will tap the power button 3 times quickly to activate readers mode. I'll do it again. Good. The readers mode is activated. So you tap on the screen 2 times, the same way I did. Then tap on the skip. Ensure that your phone is connected to internet. So there's one thing here. If you listen to the phone, like the radar is reading what is on the screen. Then after reading what is on screen, it's now going to ask you if you want to skip. So what I'm doing here now, I'm tapping here. If you look at it, I'm tapping on that connect to Wi-Fi. This can only work when it asks me if I want to skip. So you have to wait till then when it asks you if you want to skip. Remember, once you activate readers mode, when you touch anything, it will work when you tap it twice. Immediately tap it twice, otherwise it will not work. So wait a while. Once it's done reading it, it now asks you whether you want to skip. Then you tap on you need the data connection to continue, and it will take you to another screen. So let's try it once more. As you can see it here, it says skip Blackberry ID. Tap on skip. So it's not moving freely because it's on readers mode. Good. You can see it. There's option to skip here again, so I'm going to skip it. Please take it easy so they won't break the screen of the phone. Good. You say unable to connect. So let me disable the readers mode so that I can work on the phone easily. Good. It now has next button. So I tap on the next. And I'll do it again. There's next button. I'll do it again. Make sure it's connected. If it's not connected, you reconnect it. So let me reconnect it to internet again. Then I'll tap on the next button. Good. It's now on regional update. So you have to wait for a while because this one is going to take some time. But once it's done, you are good to go. As a size patient, I went and see next button is activated. Tap on netting, next button, is now on a software update. The software update will also take a while. Make sure you are still connected to hotspot or Wi-Fi or any source of internet. Don't panic, just exercise patience because it's coming up gradually. This is the same way you can bypass BlackBerry ID now. This works that way. I've tried it and it worked for me. So you can also try it and use the comment section and tell me whether it works or not. But I've tried one and it worked this way. Boom, that is it. Say click OK. Then setup is complete. That is it. You're good to go. It has worked. So please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.